Bodega Boys.
Hey, air conditioning good, Poppy?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, man. Okay.
Keep going up the street over here. I think this is this block. Yo, ready to do this?
That's all right there?
It's coming up right there.
It's going right there?
Yeah.
Yo,
Poppy. Just pull over for a second.
Pull over
for a second. Just stay right here.
Right here?
Just stay right here.
And I have to stop the meter.
Keep the meter going. We'll be right back.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Get in the fucking car.
Get in the fucking car.
What's wrong with you? Get in the car. Yo, don't fight back. Get the fuck out of here. Get in the car, stupid. Get in the car.
Get in the fucking car.
Drive, Poppy.
Get in the
Poppy, drive.
Hey, espérate.
Drive.
Papi, where we going?
Drive, Poppy.
Okay, está bien.
Yo, ma.
Okay, Papi, where we go?
Just keep driving. Yo, ma, you all right?
Yo, what the fuck, nigga?
Yo, you said
I told you to make that shit look real, nigga. You made that shit look OD fake, stupid.
You told us
that shit look OD fake, nigga.
You told us
nigga, you said Yesenia. Nigga, you said get in the car, Yesenia, nigga.
Oh.
What the fuck?
Damn.
Bro, coño, man. Now, now what the fuck I'm supposed to do? My mom's gonna whoop my ass, nigga, when they take me out of jail. Oh my God, bro. Yo, and I was gonna suck the shit out of your dick, nigga.
Oh, that's canceled?
Wow. Yeah, of course it's canceled now, nigga. My mom's gonna start blowing up my phone like 5 minutes. Like, yo, that was cute.
Well, we promised Poppy you get some Toppy too, so.
Oh my God. Papi, you got my OnlyFans? Claro que sí, mami. I have it. It's $5 premium Snapchat. That's nothing for me, papi.
He recognized you when we were driving.
Yeah. Like, I don't know. What's the end game? What do we do now? Just drop off? Listen, man, we're going to just drop you off.
Or?
We could. Yo, you dead ass, nigga? You dead ass. You going to kill me. What? You're gonna kill me.
They're gonna do an amp.
Yo, let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. When you watch a TV show, what's your favorite TV show right now?
Hardball with Chris Matthews.
Would they kill Chris Matthews and Hardball with Chris Matthews?
No.
No, they would not. So therefore, they would not ever kill Bodega Boys, Queen of the Universe, Bodega Boys Universe. Just saying, excuse me, stupid. Oh my God, let me out right here. Matter of fact, bro, I'm gonna go back to Honduras. I don't even care. Bro. Y'all niggas are stupid.
I thought you were Dominican.
Whatever. I'm gonna go both. I got mad passports, nigga. Forget it. Don't be. Matter of fact, don't ask me about my immigration status. That's it. What you want? You want me to do the fucking drop for your little thing that y'all niggas do on the weekend? Huh? Yeah. That's what you want? Smack the shit out of you, nigga. Fucking play with me. Bro, you mad quiet over there. I'm just saying. You got it. You say, I ain't got no drama with you. Good. Just do the drop for us. That's it. One time. One. It's the last one of the year. Promise. Good?
Do the drop, man. Come on.
All right, motherfuckers. Yo, this is the motherfucking best podcast on the motherfucking planet, stupid. Enjoy this shit. Y'all niggas had an intro that was basically a fucking Martin Scorsese movie. All right? That shit was better than the Irishman's or whatever the fuck. All right? Stupid. This is episode 184 of the best podcast on the planet. Enjoy it, stupid. Happy New Year's, all that shit. Happy, you know what I'm saying, Dia de los Reyes, all that shit. Kwanzaa, Christmas, Hanukkah, whatever. If you're a J-Dub, my bad, yo. But I still fuck with you, yo. Hit the OnlyFans, nigga. Premium Snapchat $5. Do the drop. Holla.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
It's a problematic light off the rip.
Niggas gotta animate that shit.
Shit. I don't know. If they do that, we don't have to go to court. Yo, it's episode 184.
Yes, sir.
You know what it is. When you're trying to go to 180th and you've walked 4 blocks too high.
Yes, sir.
That's right. It's the most dangerous podcast in the world. A full year.
Oh, my God.
Of this dangerous fucking podcast. Of the visuals.
You're welcome.
Shout, last week was in 4K. I was like, yo. I was watching it. I was like, yo.
It's like watching Pino.
I was like, this is too bright.
It's like the setup for like a scene for blacks.
Yeah, I was like, yo, this nigga's gonna fuck.
This shit is lit.
As always, sponsored by Cash App, you know what I'm saying?
Cash App!
The app for your cash.
For your cash.
Did you know in other countries it's known by whatever the country is? So like it'd be Dinero app, it'd be Peso app.
Boom. what I'm saying?
I think in
Frank
Antigua,
app.
it's Conch Show app or
Conch
something like
app,
that. You know, they
Boom.
just different things like
Conch
that.
Twitter app.
You know, in France, it's this Crepes app.
You know what I'm saying? Baguette. Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
We pay me in bread.
Yes. Thank you.
As someone who has walked around the Eiffel Tower, I know everything about France. It was started in 1956.
As somebody that has visited in France, I want to ask you a question.
See,
I've never been.
I will answer in French.
I've never been. Mm-hmm. Why do they eat bread that's mad hard?
No, I mean, it's not always hard. You can get it soft.
Oh, you get a soft baguette?
But sometimes you want it hard. Hey, oh, hey, whoa. Hey, wow. Hey, oh, I walked into that. Hey, whoa, hey, my kids listen.
Hey, Vinny, you hear this guy?
Hey, this guy's over here eating hard bread. He's over here eating hard bread in France.
Yeah,
wow.
got a fucking glue analogy.
Wow. Hey, look, it's the Queen of England eating carbohydrates. Wow. You know, us real niggas, we got the Atkins diet over here. I'm eating veal meatballs now.
The only bread I eat is the fucking breading on my chicken cutlet, pal. That's it.
Smart.
That's it.
Smart.
Keep your carbs low.
Listen, I'm on my third cheat of the day.
Beautiful.
Little baked chicken, no spices.
Delicious.
You know that?
You know what I mean? Gaines, bro. Gaines with a Z.
All right? My kid was on some gains. I had to kick him out because, you know, we don't do that. We're Christian.
Okay. There's a lot of shit. This is very appropriate. This is the end of the year episode. Because
it is.
Bad shit happening like the past 10 hours. A lot of y'all niggas showing your dicks out there, bro.
Yeah, shout out to Steph Curry. How did that happen?
Steph Curry with the cock, boy.
How did that happen? And I'm on Twitter and this girl was like, oh, Aisha must have leaked it because she's the only one that has his nudes. I was like, yeah, all right, wow.
Nigga, when you get drafted into the NBA, there's a clause in your contract that you have to show like your spouse or significant other, like, yo, you will be fucking other bitches.
Okay, as we said way back in the day, millions of monogamy. You're not getting them both. Like, and you got like listen, because think about
Stop that.
Even if he's out there a little bit, he come home. You know what I mean?
It's the wholesome shit.
I believe as DMX said it the best in that song with Aaliyah. He was like, yo, even if the dog roams, the dog always comes home. Put that in your wedding vow. It's like, yo, I want to love and protect you. You know what I'm saying? Every now and then I'm gonna fuck another bitch, but I always come back to you.
Oh man, I love
it. Was like, why are we getting married in Petco? I'm like, it's for the dog theme.
Listen,
okay.
I planned this.
You walk in, they're like, are you a cat or a dog? Mm-hmm. They're like, no, that means like, are you the groom?
It's like bridesmaid, groomsman. That's how we differentiate.
Wow, sit over here.
And it's David Tutero with like little cat ears. Like, hey, come over here.
Everyone's coming out of the bridal party. They're licking themselves. I was like, oh, y'all like cats? I'm going to show y'all cats for real.
For real.
Yeah.
The fucking officiant is Jason Derulo. Nigga that says no vowels, no nothing. He's just like, Jason Derulo. Do you take this, Jason Derulo?
That cat's like, wow. I paid people to grow like that. I was like, I want a full cat experience.
That's it.
Okay?
I want somebody licking their ass in the
cat
middle of the aisle. Yes. Cocktail hour. Throw that shit up on the bar.
Man, cats. For the reception, just niggas eating grass and throwing it up.
Yeah, mad grass, nigga. Just mad little temptation treats. It's like
shaking the bag. On the dance floor, there's a big...
rolling up mad catnip blunts and shit. Like, yo
there's a big ass feather on the dance floor. Niggas is like... yo, this shit is like...
Yo, I'm in the K-hole.
He's gonna take home bag with a dead mouse. Like, yo...
Oh shit, yo, this
popping.
What?
They get the car, just bite the head off. Like, yo, shit slapping. Row, cats.
Yo, I'm drunk as fuck, nigga. This mouse is here right now. Nigga in the back of the Uber, like,
Yo, share that.
Yo, go, rock.
Oh, fuck. Cats in the Winter Garden Theater.
It's an institution.
They got that. There's a Netflix show called "Don't Fuck with Cats." Have you heard about that?
Don't Fuck with Cats, like the musical. Or Don't Fuck with Cats.
No, it's a documentary because it starts with this guy takes 2 kittens and he puts them in a vacuum bag and kills them, And everyone on the internet is outraged, and like the whole internet comes together to find out who the guy is, and like it's wild.
What?
Yeah, it took place in like 2010, back when you could get away with posting shit like that on YouTube. So yeah,
what? That's live leak shit.
It's a wild documentary because you're watching it, and everyone's like, yeah, he killed cats. You don't fuck with cats. And I was like, yeah, but I feel like everyone on this program has no problem like retreating like a black person getting shot by the cops.
Yeah.
Or just,
hey, listen, if you would have just listened.
yeah, pull your pants up, sir.
Yeah.
But
looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
yeah.
Come on.
But it was really good. I was up every now and then. Netflix will get you, and it'll be like, you'll be like, okay, you know what? I got like 40 minutes before I gotta go to bed. Let me just watch something. Next thing you know, it's 4:50,
bro,
and Netflix is looking at you like garbage. Like, open your mouth. Let me spit in you, piece of garbage.
Like
you want to stay up some more? You're like, yes, daddy.
Yeah,
Give me another episode, daddy.
Yeah. Open your mouth. I'm gonna spit a documentary in it.
No.
Yeah, you want a documentary about
You want some
broccoli?
knowledge?
Yeah.
You want knowledge?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Eat that.
Thank you, sir.
Take that.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy it.
Next episode.
Yeah. GMO.
Now
broccoli.
now it's very aggressive. Now it doesn't even like stop and ask you. It's like, nah. The next episode's starting in 5 seconds.
Right now, nigga.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, boom.
Boom.
Too late.
You in there.
Too late. No backseas.
You trying to press circle, nigga? Psych.
I'm like, stop, please. Please, my kids are hungry. I don't want any more BoJack. They're like, you'll finish this shit. Okay?
It's fucking responsibility.
Okay.
Nigga.
You started it.
You signed up for this shit. Finish it.
You're like,
Motherfucker.
It's like, why are you bullying me? That's why I like Hulu. Hulu's without pussy.
It's like, yo,
Hulu's like, hey.
Would you like to?
Hey, am I hurting you?
Hey.
No, I'm kidding. Hulu's a great thing. Be sure to use it to watch Showtime Desus and Mero. Available on Hulu, available on Fire Stick.
You know what I'm saying? The Showtime app.
Available on the illegal Plex system you're using from some Twitter user. Okay?
Whatever.
If you're using the Quan Plex, that is not a legal way to watch our show.
Quadplex.
You just call it like, hello, Tyrone Plex. My PayPal payment went through. When are you going to add liar? Thank you.
Please. I've been figuring to watch this shit. This shit's on Channel 11 every night.
See, that's how I know you're washed, because you said Channel 11. That's how you,
That's that washboard shit.
yeah, if you
Like,
talking to a young
over here.
person and you're talking about a show, you go, what channel does it come on? They're like,
What?
listen, boomer. Saying what channel comes on is like saying like, yo, that's like hearing like someone making a phone call, be like, connect me to Klondike 774. You gotta upgrade.
If you ever had a remote that had less than 1,000 buttons on it, you're a boomer.
No. If you didn't have a remote but you had to dial, okay? And you had 2 dials.
Oh, you a dinosaur.
You had the real channels and you had like the others. You had the spooky zone, the UHF. Ooh.
Catch Don Francisco, and that's about it.
Yeah, every other station is like mad blurry, except for Univision. Univision comes with like, "Que lo que? We here."
Yeah, 4K HD before 4 HD.
I was like, how you guys HD in 1985? How does this work? Why are the titties so succulent?
Yeah.
What the hell is going on?
What is happening?
Why does that tiger have a trumpet?
Oh man, Don Francisco.
I was like, why has the show been on for 5 hours on Saturday?
It's a giant Saturday. You see my man's jowls in fucking 3D, nigga. Like, yo, just shit jiggling.
Back in the day, the only thing that used to be on TV was just like different strokes in the Olympics. That's it.
That's it.
That's it.
It
And
was-
Webster. And then after that, you got Alf. And then after that, you got Proud Family. And after that, the L Word, 6 Feet Under, Weeds. That's it. Living Single and Friends. Oh, and Frasier. That's it.
Oh yeah,
that was
Frasier.
it.
Shout to Frasier.
Those are the only TV shows that ever existed in the history. Frasier was good.
Shout to Frasier. I kind of and it.
It felt like a very smart show.
Yeah.
If one of those shows that you like wanted people to walk in on you watching it.
Yeah,
Like,
because I'm like, yo, it doesn't matter at what point you walk in.
Yeah.
Somebody's gonna be wearing a sweater vest, and somebody's gonna be talking with a European accent.
yeah, and talking low.
And talking low. So automatically it's like, oh, this nigga's smart as fuck.
It's high level.
Oh shit. Okay.
shit.
It's highbrow shit. Shout to Kelsey Grammer though for executive producing Girlfriends.
Yeah. I mean, Did he executive produce it, or did he take away a job from a black woman?
Wow.
Stay
Whoa,
woke.
yo.
Stay woke.
Open
Wow.
the third eye. That
Y'all
could've
even
been
know.
Shonda Rhimes.
You
That
didn't even
could've been
know.
Shonda
Okay.
Rhimes.
All right.
Could've been Shonda Rhimes.
Could have been Shonda Rhimes.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, Busta
Could've been,
Rhymes' sister needed that help.
You feel me?
Okay.
Could have been Mona Sky, even though she was probably like 13. But fuck it, you know what I'm saying? We here now.
It's true.
Believe in the youths.
Believe in the youth, the young black youths.
That's it.
That's
Keep
it.
the truth.
Our third eyes are so open. We need Visine.
Yo.
Cut us a check.
Visine, yo, we got Visine for your third eye. Bond.
Mm-hmm.
Sells itself.
Cause you know what, Ben Stein, that monster, he once had a Clear Eyes commercial. Why can't we get one?
Remember when everybody thought he was just mad cool before they realized he was
Remember we
like
had that
mad-
show, Ben
Yeah,
Stein's money? Oh, he's just a lovable old crank.
Oh, yeah.
It's like, no, he's like a war criminal for real.
Fair.
Like,
He looks like one too. He looks like,
Yeah.
I'm like, who's this nigga from Schindler's List?
way too close to Hanukkah, my guy. Way too close.
Hit it.
Okay, watch when you go to synagogue. They were like, yeah, tonight we're supposed to celebrate Hanukkah, but
Happy Festival of Lights.
yet again, Joel has said something inappropriate on his little
Look
podcast.
at me, Joel. And tell me.
Joel, Joel, do you want to come up here and apologize, or should we just should we do what we do every week?
Yeah, let's just do what we do every week and just get a year.
I swear.
All right.
Here we go.
Bye. Let's get it.
That's right. You're listening to Hanukkah in the Bronx. That's right. The chopped cheese lasts for 12 nights. What?
What?
Yo, Hanukkah, the festival of lights. Hanukkah, a good time to get light. Get light. Go Maccabees. Go Maccabees. No Dreidel. No Dreidel. You know what? You know what? You know what? You were wildin'. You were wildin'. I apologize. That was offensive to hip hop. That's offensive to Jewish people. That was offensive to KRS-One. Like
Breakdancers.
the only person that enjoyed
Lighters?
the only person that enjoyed that was Lin-Manuel. He was like, "Wait a minute.
Hold on a second here.
Hold on a second. We're gonna be tight with." He's in the movie. Ah!
He just like yeshiva fucking Hanukkah and shit. They watch the Heights.
Heights.
The Heights spinoff.
Hanukkah in the Heights. I was like, wait a minute. He's
like, what? It's a yeshiva university. It's right there.
You just put a bunch of yarmulkes on Dominicans and reshot the same movie.
No.
Why
would I do that? That's cruel.
You just added a couple of Jewish words to the original script.
No, it's Yiddish.
I spent so many times growing up Dominican and Jewish in the Heights. I'm like, wait a minute.
You matzo plátanos. Like what?
I remember my first Dominican and Jewish girlfriend. But Mero's kids are like, this is right up our alley.
We love it.
Representation matters.
Yeah. Oh my God. Dominican Jews, that's going to be a weird combo. That's a weird combo.
That's a weird combo, or it is the most delicious restaurant now opening off of Route 4 in New Jersey.
Shit.
It's like Bob's Burgers, but it's just Mero got his kids working. They're like, Daddy, I want to go to school. They're like, well, do you also want Versace sneakers?
Yeah.
You better get back on that griddle.
Shit.
Shit.
And scrape the shit down after you use it, bro.
Okay.
Should be looking wild dusty.
And listen, they be like, no pork, but you use pork, all right? Just don't show that shit.
Just use the manteca. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about that JD shit either.
Nigga got unleavened bread with bacon in it. I'm like, I don't think this is cool.
It ain't even real bacon. It's just like bacon bits.
Yeah, it's, you know, it's a compromise. It's fusion.
Hey, come on.
What do you want?
What do you want from us?
What do you want? Best Dominican Jewish food on Route 4. I'm like, that's very specific.
Bring your family. It's just the wild fake, like the fucking wild public access commercial. Bring your family to a family establishment that has been established since yesterday.
Hi. And it's just like the person doesn't know how to handle a microphone. They're like, the food was scrumptious. I came here on my birthday. I always come to Mero's. If you would like to have a good time and have wonderful food with your friends, come to Mero's on Route 4.
That's right. Conveniently located right off Route 4.
Remember, Mero. Can't spell Mero without the oh. And it just freezes, wasn't there? Like
the corner furniture niggas looking at us like.
It's that weird
Amateurs.
commercial that we didn't see the beginning of it, but it just cuts to the middle of it for some reason on the ESPN broadcast. You're like, what happened?
What is this?
You were just showing like a My Pillow commercial. What is this?
Why
shit?
did the minivan just drive by and splash them? What happened?
Wow.
That commercial ran for so long for the next broadcast, the oil change commercial.
Which one?
Where they were just standing outside the minivan. It was like, you said to get your oil.
Yeah, and then the guy drove by and splashed him.
He was just like,
oh man,
we got splashed.
I feel bad for those Bronx local ads because like they're really good for what they are.
Yeah.
But for what they are, like that's what they are. Like
they got the.
I'm like, would you want to buy a car from a person that makes a commercial like this? Like, but then buying a car in the Bronx is different.
Oh yeah, it's real different.
It ain't a buyer's market. They're like, oh, you want a car?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see 5 pay stubs.
Yeah.
Also, why do you gotta show pay stubs in the car? Like everywhere else is like, no, here, just run my car. No, show me some pay stubs.
Let me see pay stubs, nigga.
Pay
Let me see pay stubs and your motherfucking taxes. Nigga.
Show me pay stubs, you dirty bitch. Yeah.
Donald Trump could never buy a car in the Bronx.
He got pay stubs. Just Donald Trump in a Honda CRX.
Like, I got this shit cash.
We'll go slow it down. There's a speed bump.
Chill.
I lowered it. I don't want to fuck up this transmission.
Word.
Fuck up this transmission.
Matter of fact, hit the hydraulics.
Yeah. Watch out, I'm gonna hit the nitro.
Nigga fish just go when you hit the nitro.
Oh.
Fat piece of motherfucking shit. Man, God.
I was walking past the Ferrari store the other day.
What?
I looked in.
Yeah.
And then I kept walking.
Every time I walk past this shit, I feel like that 50 Cent song, like, nigga, use it with.
I was like, wow. I was like, that would be just the most ridiculous purchase ever in the history of anything. Like, could you imagine just me like stuck in rush hour traffic on the West Side Highway? Like, now I'm on the side. I'm out of gas.
I'm out of gas. Chicken take most of the go.
Trying to get over. I'm like, I'm getting over.
Just stalling out. You're like, yo, fuck.
I got to Target. I could barely fit toilet paper in the back and shit. Trying to drive with shit under my arm. Like, yo.
You park next to a nigga, you hit the door, the shit goes up. The homie next to you opens his door sideways.
Bing.
Like, yo, my
come
man.
On, man. This
come on, bro.
Shit. Start raining. There's no roof. I'm like, fuck.
Ah, damn.
Think about that.
You're there with a poncho on and shit like.
I just go smack home like. Are these Ferrari problems?
Yo, listen.
Is there a thing as Ferrari problems?
Yo, listen, there is not.
Because who do you complain? You got to complain to other Ferrari users.
Yeah.
You can't.
It's like, oh man,
you can't get on Twitter and be like, well, fucking Ferrari.
God damn it.
Yeah.
The paddle shifter on my 458 is a little finicky.
We definitely lose followers.
Yo.
Every now and then there's a tweet I want to do it. I'm like, nah, I can't. I can't. They'll know I'm different. They know Jesus is different. Oh, but no. Because I remember we had the Range Rovers. I wanted to beef because there's like some weird thing where the Range Rover, there was no defrost for this little panel by the window.
Oh yeah.
And I went on the Range Rover website and the message board, and like other people were beefing about it. Yeah. And I wanted to beef about it on Twitter, and I was like, you know what? This is not the play for it.
Maybe not.
This is not the play for it.
Like, goddamn Range Rover won't defrost in the fucking corner.
I hate it. I hate it here.
Annoying. I mean, the massage sheets and cooled and heated steering wheel are amazing, and the screens and.
You know what? I don't like the whole diesel. What am I, a truck driver now? Yeah, these are not real people problems.
Yeah, not at all.
These are not real people problems.
Yo, that diesel was it, boy. That shit had me driving that shit around for like 2 weeks straight.
You don't have to like fill it up or whatever. Fuck? It was wild.
Is diesel way worse for the environment than regular gas? I have no idea.
Fucking terrible.
It's bad for the environment, but you know it's bad for the environment, but you know what's really good for? Your lungs.
Yeah.
Diesel,
that sour,
got that sour. You know what it is. You know
the fucking vibes.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You inhale because what?
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
Be a funnel.
You know what I'm saying?
Be a funnel to your lungs. You know what I'm saying? I want you to smoke so heavy you get dizzy and throw up.
Yeah. That's the best kind of high when you throw up.
When you throw up, but you know, you wildin'. Your body's like, yo, chill.
Chill, stop.
And you're like, nah, we going.
I'm TTG.
You're like, highway to the danger zone. Your body's like, you get that next move. It's like, no, stop. Your body's like, stop. And you inside your internal thing is like, oh, she can't take it no more. Captain, she's about to blow.
Can't take it no more. Then you rally, nigga.
You rally.
Take a swig with that beer there.
Yeah, you right back at it.
Back at it, daddy.
And you know, you're a little scared at first. Your body's like, no, we just do up. You're like,
nah, you good.
Let me back in.
Good. Now you clean
Let me back in. What's up?
Come on.
Relax. Just relax. You've been here before.
Take a deep breath and hold
All right, come on. It's my birthday.
Yeah.
Did you see A$AP Rocky's sex tape?
I didn't see it, but I heard of it. But the crazy shit to me is that a lot of girls want to have sex with A$AP Rocky.
True.
A lot of women want to have sex with A$AP Rocky, I should say.
Mm-hmm.
This is a fact. He's an international superstar. You know, he's a good-looking guy.
Mm-hmm.
Girls love him.
Girls love him.
Women love him.
He's from Harlem.
He's from Harlem. Got the swag.
Got the swag.
You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
And you know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know what I'm saying?
It's not an L for him.
It's not like, yo, fam.
Because
like,
guys was like, yo, he got the weak stroke. First of all, you're not supposed to be talking about other men's strokes.
Like, what is that?
It'll only say that because, I mean, it's just a matter of time before one of my sex tapes come out. So,
like, fam.
I'm just trying to jump in front of it. It might have been like a Monday morning, you know, I wasn't bringing the heat. Maybe it was a little hungover.
Just a little quickie.
Maybe the Yankees lost the night before.
You know what I mean? Just pumped that one out real quick.
Maybe I had hay fever. Maybe my allergies was acting up.
Maybe.
Okay?
Maybe it was a high pollen count day.
Maybe,
who knows?
Maybe you see one and it's just me like, I just want to cuddle. You know, I had a rough day.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You just need to be held, and then you want to, and then you're held to these performance standards that are not fucking realistic.
After if you're sex
I'm supposed to fuck you for 5 hours?
Just get out of here. Get out of here. I'm a
5
grown
hours
man.
straight?
Okay?
Come on, stop.
Every minute is an hour. Do the math.
Stop. Time is money. I need 400 roses.
The new thing on Twitter was like people were just like, yo, was his tape leaked with consent? So if your tape leaks, that's what you guys be like. If you watch it, you didn't watch it with consent, you're violating me.
Ooh.
Done and done. Done and done. But then also, like, it depends who leaked your sex tape, because you know who has the video. We call it a sex tape. It's not even a tape. I mean, but what we're gonna call it? Who leaked your fucking
your iPhone,
your sex AVI?
Yeah, like that's the shit that kills you now about sex tapes is that they're making them on phones, and there's no like below. Before it was like, but below. Before
it was like a tripod and shit.
Yeah, they said tripods and shit was set up.
I mean,
it was official.
You need a phone. The phone is easy. Nobody got a fucking tripod. What is this?
Like, yo, I feel like if you're making a sex tape, you know you about to make.
If you got a tripod, then you gotta get like a key grip. You gotta get like a PA. You put it down like
little crafty.
So crafty. You put it down tape.
Yo, here's your mark for
yo, call me with the bounce board. Like, all right, you know what about to be beating up the cheeks, and someone claps their hands like. Out for 597 Nevada. Take 7.
Yeah, we're gonna need you to wipe that weird white thing off her butt.
Last looks. Let's go with the makeup.
With the little baby wipe and shit. Wipe the ball hairs. Oh
no. They gotta put her cheeks in the same spot for continuity.
Yo,
you want to put someone through that?
Come on, son. Yo, shout out to
at end of the scene after you nut, somebody comes running with a clipboard. Like, could you sign here?
Can you sign here? What if it's niggas on a release? No! You got your fucking dick on the side of release. Oh my god.
Imagine you blow Shorty's back out and now you're in the bathroom pissing in her sink because you sushi boy. You know what it is.
Gang.
And then someone comes in and goes, we need pickups.
Oh,
you want that?
Oh, no.
You want that?
You like, fam, you have to wait at least an hour. You got to bring me something to eat right now. Right now. I'm feeling lightheaded. There's too much Froggy style going on in there.
So you mean also could you do some BTS for digital?
You said it was the one flaccid dick, like yeah, you know.
So how'd you get into this industry?
Well, you know, I went to Fordham for like half like 2 semesters, and you know, it wasn't working out for me. So I got this ad for modeling. You know what I mean? And I went down to the office.
Is it true that you got your start in Latin inches?
It's absolutely true. Yeah. I was Julio the Latin lover. Yeah, I had on a codpiece that I
remember that
revealed my cock.
Yeah.
It was sheer.
Interesting.
Yeah, that was my start in the industry, and then from then on, I just became the most dominant top in the industry.
That's true. That last scene you just did, with the docking scene, was that fun?
It was amazing. It was amazing. It was my first docking scene, actually.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
Wow!
Yeah.
So you was virgin.
New experience for me. Yeah. It was amazing.
Wow.
Things NPR Pino talk.
I love how we went from no pedo talk for let's say 2 episodes, and that was just straight
Pino.
All right. Call us Megan Rapping. Call us Megan Rappino. Because that's all we do. We're rapping Pino.
We're wrapping up the Pino.
Putting the Pino under the tree.
You know what I'm saying?
You're going to open that gift for your parents and just say, oh. Right? You open that gift for your parents and they talk about just Cuba somebody suck that baby leg. Oh, man.
Yo. Your drunk uncle's gonna say that shit when y'all open the presents.
I hope not.
I hope not too.
I hope not. If your uncle's drunk, what time do you open the presents?
At my crib early. Then we go to my sister's crib, and it's 5-ish, 6-ish. Everybody's a little sauced off the coquito.
So wait, what time at your house?
At my crib, as soon as the kids wake up.
Oh, okay.
6 o'clock in the morning.
Got you. Yeah, if you drunk. Well, I mean, if you're still up for the night before, you might still be drunk. So that makes sense.
I get super blasted before I come upstairs. Though.
Yeah.
Have to. Cause then I have mad fun putting the shit together. Oh shit, oh yo, and I do it mad fast because I laser focus.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm putting together this big ass Batman playset. 5 minutes, boom, they rocking with it.
Got you.
Or I'm back on the Nintendo Switch. You know what I'm saying? Freaking it. You know what I'm saying? It's a very happy time.
Yeah.
To be busy.
Now, usually, at that time, I do my family tradition, just going through the garbage of the neighbors to find gifts. Just give my nephew a copy of National Geographic from 1995. I was like, it's about skyscrapers.
I'm like, yo, listen. A lot of you niggas are gonna get Jimmy Fallon t-shirts for Christmas this year.
They're like, wow, another viewed cup.
Thank you.
It's like, yeah.
For the Seth Meyers mug.
That's right.
I signed it, motherfucker.
Yeah,
worth something.
Who wants a CVS water bottle? People turn it down now. 3 years ago, you would have killed for it.
That's right.
Okay? So you enjoy this fucking Jimmy Fallon tote bag.
Enjoy it. It zips. Very functional.
I took a Jimmy Fallon tote bag to Whole Foods on 125th Street, and I passed the mirror and I looked at myself and I was like, "Who the fuck are you?" I was like, "Who the fuck are you?" I was like, "Do you have on Toms?" I was like, "You know you're gentrifying Harlem." I was like, "I am."
They got on Crocs?
I was like, "I am." I was like, "I feel terrible. I'm sorry." Like the other version of me in the mirror was the old version with the triple XL t-shirt and the 40-inch pants.
Yo, that nigga's pussy.
Yeah, I was like, I am.
Yo, that nigga.
I am.
You know what? I'll be that.
I'll be that.
You know what?
They say what you are, what you eat. Okay.
All right.
Now, if you don't mind, I have to go cook this salmon.
Yeah. I got a wooden plank. I'm
you know
excited.
what? Actually, I don't have time for this. I forgot to go buy my essential oils.
Sorry. Bye.
Whole Foods sells shit,
blessed, brother.
And you just be like, "What the fuck is this?"
What
and you be like,
Why?
and then they look
Why?
at you like, "Oh, you don't know what that is?" You just be like,
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah,
but I need a liter of Target oil. Yeah, I need that.
And then like that, the whole thing and that. Listen, I rallied against it for many episodes, but as you know, I'm a hypocrite and I have no ethics.
Salute.
I've been using the Amazon Prime discount. Yes, Jeff Bezos knows what I eat. I'm sorry.
It is what it is.
It's 15% off.
Bruh, and it's so easy.
It's so easy.
It's too easy.
We make it too easy to track our data.
Yeah.
What do you want? Also, how much... The food I buy at Whole Foods is not the food I normally eat.
That's true.
Okay, unless
so
you...
you're throwing them off.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, you're being subversive.
You really think all I survive on is dried peaches?
Huh?
Okay, and tortillas made
stupid?
from the husk of coconuts?
You wild. This man got a bread maker.
Damn, I haven't used that in a while. Yeah, I haven't used
Fuck out of here. This nigga got yeast.
Oh, relax.
And not like that.
Relax.
You know what I'm saying?
Making bread is a lot harder than, because I was making bread. I was like, bro, yo, throw this in. They was like, nah, they was like, yo, that's basic bread.
Yeah.
I was like, what?
What?
They was like, you trying to get to next level bread?
Oh, you want to make a little brioche?
I see Victor over there. You know the vibes.
You know the vibes.
I was like, yo. I was like, 'cause they was like, yo, what kind of? They was like, you just want to make regular white bread, or you trying to go to the next level? When I looked, they was like, you ain't ready.
You ain't ready?
You ain't ready.
You ain't ready?
When you gotta add ingredients after or like during the process.
You know the fucking vibes.
Okay, I wasn't ready for that.
Artisanal, nigga.
Artisanal.
Not to go too far back, but a baguette typically should be hard on the outside, crispy, but soft on the inside.
Oh,
Yeah.
Achieved by baking in a humid oven.
There you go.
Oh, shit.
There you go.
A little water, little ice cubes as you bake will give you that effect.
This nigga breaking bread.
I prefer freeform molding for an artisanal feel and then product.
What if Breaking Bad, instead of like meth, he was just selling bread? Like season 4, he's like, I still got cancer. I haven't sold enough bread. Not enough bake sales. I'm the man who bakes. Everyone be like, this show sucks.
What is this shit?
And like in the meeting, I was like, I told you, meth, not bread. And it was like, yeah, you was right. Shit.
You was right, man.
Damn.
Yeah, my fault, dog.
I mean, niggas love bread.
Hey,
The fuck?
niggas fuck up.
We leave the meeting. I was like, I still think that was a good idea.
Fuck that, you know.
All right.
Had that shit.
Hey,
bro.
we're getting this money from big carbohydrates, so fuck that.
Fuck that.
All right? We're getting this big bread money.
Glutinous dick.
All right, we getting that money from gluten George Soros. Getting that big bread checks.
The Gluten Brothers.
I just called Victor like, Victor, what the fuck? The check is printed on the bread. What do I do?
He's like, you gotta put it in the toaster.
I'm like, is that how I deposit it? Yeah. Like, oh, you sure? I'm calling Steve.
I'm like, I shut up and shit in the microwave. Steve was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? You just give him the money
I
back.
just bring it back to his office. It's all nibbled on. I was like, yeah, that was Mac. Why would I eat my own check?
He's like, yeah, typically it's strange for people to print checks on pastries and breads.
It's like,
but,
the accounting firm got to take its 15%. I'm like, yo.
Nigga just rips a piece off and throws it in his salad and shit like croutons. Like,
I'm like, wow, I gotta make more next year. Shout out to taxes, everyone.
oh yeah, they coming.
They came. They can pay taxes. Wow. Them shits hurt. As someone who, in the previous life may or may not have paid taxes, because I give a shit.
You get that call too?
So listen.
Let's go over.
Yeah.
From the accountant.
Yeah.
Let's go. Woo.
Yeah. It's not so much let's go over. It's like, come cry, nigga. Yeah. And somebody was like, yeah, if you pay a lot of taxes, that means you made a lot of money. No. That means you got a lot of money taken away from you. Yeah. Shit's bad. But I mean, it's not bad. I mean, it's good. It'll be working. Yeah. It just hurts. It hurts. But then I'm just like, well, what was I going to do with that money?
They don't got to put the numbers up there like that, bro.
Yeah.
Like, it's like, it should be like optional. Like, you know how they shit, like the pop-up books got the slide?
Yeah.
You cover the numbers and shit. Cover them numbers up, dog.
She be like a toddler, like, I don't see.
I don't see gross.
Oh, that's why they call it gross, because after you see what they take it away, you be like, oh, my fucking stomach hurts. Ah, my guts, bro. My fucking guts. You look at it as a gross, you're like, yo, and they're like, this is what you actually get. You're like,
what? You turn into SpongeBob caveman meme, like, the fuck? Nah, bro.
After gross, what you're left with is like the ASAP Rocky sex tape.
Oh, no!
That's not what I wanted, bro. It also hurts because I'm a sovereign citizen. I shouldn't have to be paying taxes.
Exactly.
But
come on.
Apparently,
if you're broke for mad long, you shouldn't pay taxes. If you're broke for more than 15 years consecutively, you shouldn't pay taxes for 5 years.
Well, then wouldn't like
that was a completely cockamamie theory. That has no basis in reality.
You know what? If you were running for like president, if you were running for president, and like I was a Mero supporter, and you said that at a debate, I'd be fighting with people on Twitter. I'd be like, "He's right though.
He's right though. 26. Yo. If you hold a rack a month, that's $26,000 a year.
Because like It's like Mayor Pete. He was like, I don't want like rich people sending their kids to free colleges. I was like, what rich person's gonna send their kid to Hostos?
Are you stupid?
Explain that,
You
please.
fucking moron. All these niggas went to Yale. This nigga's gonna go to Lehman? You're bugging. You're bugging.
I'm like, what?
Get the fuck out of here.
I'm like, you ever been so high and then someone says something and you just get sober? You're like,
What?
and you look at the weed like you're not doing your job.
No, you start rolling another blunt like, yo, let me open this other shit, this other jar. See what's
Oh shit. He needs to come up with like a policy like, yo, if rich people have to chip in more on blunts.
Boom. There you go. You gotta light up. If you rich, you gotta light up.
If you're
gotta
part of the
check
1%.
Yep.
Why are we going half and half?
Dinner and blunts. You gotta pick those up.
Mm-hmm.
There
you go.
Those up every time. If you're
And you can't bring mid.
No mid,
No
Reggie,
Reggie.
No.
You got to bring high grade.
That's right.
You got to bring shit that you can't even bring on the plane because they can smell it through the jar.
She got
Allegedly.
stupid name and shit.
You know
like
what I mean?
Fucking Sherpa Utopia and shit.
Yo, I went to, shout out to LA, I went to literally the worst dispensary ever. Have you ever done something and in a moment you get mad because you're like, damn, this is how I die? So I land, and when you land in LA has this deliveries, which I don't know how to use because I'm from New York. Duh. You know, our delivery is a guy pulling the weed from under, or pulls it out from under his nuts. So after, because all the good dispensaries like close at 10. After 10, it's like Sketch City. Like you got to go to some fucking Grand Theft Auto ass dispensary where a nigga probably got a shotgun or whatever. So I just use the weed map. Shout out the weed map. So I just find the nearest dispensary. It's like on La Brea or some shit. I don't know what that means. So I'm from New York. I'm like, is this Compton? Is this where Nipsey Hussle got killed? I don't know. I'm just running around LA.
Clue.
Nigga, the Uber driver drops you off. He's like, you sure this is where you're going? And I was like, yeah, I'll figure it out. Because why come from the Bronx? BX all day. I see nothing. It's just pitch darkness. Like, it looks like it looked like bandos. I was about to turn the flashlight on, and I just hear, "Hey, come inside. The lights aren't working." I was like,
"Sir, what? The lights not working?"
And I was like, "What?" And I go, and like the security person, they're using the light from their phone to check my ID.
Oh,
and I go in there, and they have 3 strains of weed.
What? Wow!
I was like, "What the fuck is this?" And you know how I knew it wasn't a good dispensary? Because they didn't recognize me. Because every dispensary watches our show. The shit goes together.
You know the vibes.
So the guy's he's like, "You're from New York?" He's like, "What are you doing over here?" I was like, clearly buying janky ass weed. Nigga.
Fucking this shit that you grew in your backyard. All 3 plants.
He was like, I was like, "You take credit cards?" He was like, "We only take cash." I go to the ATM. Of course, the ATM is broken. The ATM looked like it's been broken for 6 years.
Shit got mad tags on
it. But it's LA, so I could actually buy weed and gummies and all that shit with pocket change, basically. It's not like New York where you buy like shit for like $500 and shit.
Fucking $1 jillion.
Yeah, you just buy. LA is weird. It's like it feels like people just buy like one blunt after work. They're just like, let me just get.
Yeah, let me get a joint.
Let me just get a. Yeah. So.
No work involved.
But then after that, I went to a taco truck. Shit was cool. Then I went home. Oh, so I broke the. Actually, no. You know what? Let me not. You know what? No. I had a wonderful time in London. I didn't break any policies or anything. So good times.
That's a flex now. That's like a rap flex. Almost.
What, breaking them? The non-smoking policy. Yeah.
I feel like if it's absolutely necessary. I feel like if
I think there's a difference.
2 weeks.
Yeah,
I'm breaking that policy.
What, were you smoking in the room? I mean, if you got a balcony, that's when it gets weird because then people be like, "You can't smoke on the balcony." I'm like, "Where the fuck are you supposed to smoke at?"
Yeah. If I can. Also, how do you know that I'm smoking on the balcony?
Technically, I'm not smoking. I'm smoking in the area that God provided. Why do you hate Christians?
I'm in international ears.
Okay.
Stupid.
Stupid. Shout out to Tekashi. Tekashi got 2 years.
3 months.
Yeah, he be out soon.
Think about to do a week and a half.
You know what?
Nigga doing a week and a half on the boat.
Yeah, that judge fucked him over because the judge did the thing where he does that long speech. You're gonna think you're gonna get 47 years. And he's like, nah, you just get 2 years.
Yeah.
He did the wild pump fake, and you be in court like tight, like thinking about shit.
Like, my girl gonna leave me.
Yeah.
Fuck, yo, my kids ain't gonna know me. My mom's gonna disown me. 2 months. You're like, what?
You got like 13
Why'd
months.
you do
and
that
like,
to me, fam?
If you got 13 months, you just counting that shit down at this point. You
And
mad
you got
jovial, because that's what time served. You got 2 years.
You got 2 years on serve.
But I mean, hey, he'll be out, and then people gonna be like, listen to it. His music's not gonna hit the same.
Yeah.
Because he can't do all that blood shit no more, right? He's just gonna be a guy with colorful hair.
Oof.
Is he might have to go the Latin route. Just do like ballads and shit.
I don't think he can.
Yeah.
He don't got it. He don't got the chops. He don't got the swag. Latin American motherfuckers like J Balvin, Bad Bunny niggas that are like weird and like whatever.
I think he could.
But now niggas are like
But remember, he was starting to like change up his song and started doing softer shit. So listen, because he can't do shit. He can't talk any gun talk. He can't talk any criminal talk.
No.
He can't talk y'all niggas.
Everything better be like, yo, I love my girl.
I love my girl.
Yo, I'm a law-abiding citizen.
I love God.
He should start doing.
He gotta be the new Chance the Rapper.
Boom. Chance canceled the big tour and all that shit.
I love my blood. I love my blood.
I rep my set.
I rep my set. I rep the Bloods. I rep Christ and I love my wife. Tekashi. I'm like, it's not really the same.
Jesus Bryce.
Jesus Christ. Messiah with the blicky now.
Yo.
Who you tashed in? Now we all confess shit.
Yo.
Niggas eat mad chicks with booties and like eating communion wafers. I'm like, all right.
It's all right. It's different. All right.
It's all right.
Oh, shout out to homie spraying them with
He
the
got
water.
hooked up with Kanye.
Was it fake news or does he already have that record deal though? Didn't he?
He does have that record deal, but a lot of people have record deals. Shit, do we have a record deal? Yeah.
I might have to give that curious listen once he's out.
I mean, yeah, but
I'm gonna listen just to see what the fuck it is.
Yeah,
I'm like, yo, if dude
exactly.
completely pivots to like pop music or country music or some shit like that, I'm gonna see just to see what it is. But if he comes out and he's like, yo, Blood Gangster Volume 2, I'm like, nah, nigga, nah.
But he could get away with it in this current environment. He can get away because things change. It's not like back in the day we had to buy an album. Because remember, you had to buy an album. That was like an investment. You were like, I am fucking with this person heavy. I remember you were doing that without hearing the album. You were just like for just word of mouth. You gave me a date.
I'm reading the track listing in the store,
and then I'm buying
the title's hitting. I'm buying it.
That's it. Now it's just like, yo, you could it doesn't cost you anything. So if you already got Apple Music or Spotify, you could just go listen to his album, see if the shit hits or not. He gets the streams. It doesn't really matter like that. It's not the same.
Like a quarter of a penny per fucking.
And then also like the whole thing about he can't, like we say he can't do blood shit, but the average kid doesn't care about that shit.
I was gonna say, like every 13-year-old does not give a fuck about that.
Tyler in Montclair does not give a shit about that.
Not at all.
You know, because he's a fake blood too in his yeshiva. You know what I'm saying?
All right, wildin'.
He's like, I run this fucking Wawa.
Yeah,
like, okay,
that's
relax.
right. I got it on Smash. I read the 5.
You know the fucking vibes.
Yeah.
We're just in a car. Like, why do they talk like that? They're like, you know, fucking vibes. Sushi boys. I was like, oh shit.
Oh wow, fuck. Damn. We banging in Connecticut like that.
Damn, we're ruining these white kids. You know the fucking vibes.
They banging with us in Greenwich like that.
They're like sushi boys. There's gonna be like a crime wave, and just gonna be like the gang Sushi Boys.
Sushi Boys gang.
There's gonna be tags everywhere that's Sushi Boys all over the country. We're gonna be listed as a terrorist group.
Yeah.
So I think we're gonna eventually have to leave the Bodega Boys moniker and then become the Sushi Boys. Because Bodega Boys is just like, oh, that's them when they were in the Bronx. You know, like now we just nasty. Now we just.
When we get like
sick.
When we get like Ron Jeremy, like. Yeah, just let it go. And just like
when I'm just disgusting, you see me in the airport. I have no luggage. All my stuff, all my possessions are in a garbage bag. Yeah.
Straight fucking New Jersey Shore flow. Like,
you gotta see me at Shake Shack, and I'm not even ordering. I'm just gonna go through the garbage and see like a half-eaten burger.
That's fine.
I'm still gonna be in first class.
Like fuck that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna be in first class. But I'm gonna stink.
Yeah, eating everybody's nuts.
Yeah.
Give me a nut.
All these scumbags take photos with me. Like, oh shit, these are here, take a photo.
Yeah.
I'm all bloated.
Yo, listen, they cut me off. Ordered 2 wines.
How come you can't get a wine on the air anymore, huh? Huh?
No, you can't get a wine on the air, so you're cut off. Sorry.
Hey, broad, your husband allows you to travel alone? Huh?
Yeah, I loved you in Lethal Weapon.
Thank you. Thank you. You ever had Showtime? I had a show with this guy named Mero. Like, it was... I was pretty hot, if I might say so myself.
Yeah, you were. It was kind of hot. Have you ever tried the Wild High Cloud?
I'll be honest with you. I have like a pacemaker. If I stand up while the airplane's in the air, I'll die. Yo, I don't want to brag, but you know.
I've had over 40 pizzas in the last 30 days.
Yo.
Motherfucking vines.
Yo, just out here. Is that a pickup line? You just roll up on a chick like, yo, what's up? What's up, man?
Yo, how you doing?
Oh, I see you messing with broke niggas.
Oh, word?
Oh, you was at brunch?
Oh, what?
Yo, come eat with me because you know.
I've had over 40 pizzas in the last 30 days.
What you had?
You
A
all
little
right?
French
You
toast?
trying to eat or you trying to eat?
You had a little crepe with some strawberries?
You getting a Fanta? There's mad pizza crust on the You rather eat pizza on the train or eat pizza in the Fanta?
Mad at them little empty garlic sauce joints?
If Papa John don't trust him.
Yo, why you call so like garlic?
Because that's bread. Somewhere big bread is like, they're doing it. They're doing the whole podcast about bread.
Yo,
Victor must have taken the money.
Yes.
Think about it. Like everything we've been talking about bread, Victor came through with the baguette fat.
Yo.
Like, listen.
Yo, Big Gluten, holla at us.
All you need, just talk to Victor. Whoever wants to buy the podcast for a week.
Yo, Gluten is being unfairly persecuted in the media.
Are we like those Chinese protesters against gluten? We are protesting the punishment of gluten. We're just sad against fucking Times Square with like tape over our mouth. Free gluten.
Free gluten. We must stop the erasure of gluten. Everything is gluten free.
Why? Why is it gluten free?
Why? Why can't gluten live amongst us?
Gluten free is the new racism. They're like,
Like, yo, sir, nah, it's not at all. It's not even close.
I'm yelling that in front of the Apollo. I was like, you must have lost your damn mind.
Fucker. I was like, Magic Johnson comes to you like, what the fuck up?
Oh.
Yeah.
Shout out to Popeyes. The Popeyes on 125th Street still jamming. I don't know if it's just chicken or the chicken sandwich or...
That shit might as well be a club at this point. That shit is an institution.
See, I don't fuck with that chicken sandwich heavy like that.
Not like that. That's like
Also,
a once a month, twice a month.
Fast food is weird now because now you know it's not good for you, so it's not the same.
I'm not even gonna hold you. McDonald's fucks me up.
What'd you get at McDonald's?
Like if I eat any, like if I
Oh,
eat,
it fucks you up.
Like
I thought you meant like you. I thought you meant
Oh, like I fuck with it?
Yeah,
I can't.
yeah. McDonald's is weird. Like you sometimes you crave it, but after you eat it, you're like, why did I do that?
Oh, you feel the shit at 2 hours later. It's just
2 hours or
sitting
10
there,
minutes.
Like yo, like oh no.
You're gonna be like, what did I do? What I do? Butthole like. Brr. The McDonald's fries always hit, but you know they're bad because the most hitting part of the fries is the salt and the amount of salt on there. Like,
Fam, have you seen the salt shaker they use, my nigga? That shit looks like a fucking guida, nigga. That shit's like, yo,
Fam,
fucking coffee chock full of nuts coffee
the
can.
McDonald's
like,
French fry salt shaker is the same shower head you use when you get rich.
Yo,
okay?
the rainforest
shit. That shit drenches you. You be like, yo. When they do it, if it's quiet, you can hear the potatoes screaming. They're like, ah! Oh shit! I'm like, I was like, where the fuck is McDonald's getting all this sodium from? They're like, don't worry about that.
Don't worry about this shit.
Don't worry about that. Where's McDonald's getting it? They're getting it from Big Salt?
Big salt.
Big Salt. Where's Big Salt?
And the McFlurry machine. Because that shit is always broken.
Shit.
The McFlurry machine is actually just a sodium machine.
Should you really be eating a dairy product from McDonald's?
That's true.
You really want to do that? Huh?
Probably not.
Okay.
I don't want to eat dairy, period, but I don't know if I want to eat dairy.
The problem with
while I'm
dairy
in my
is
car.
like cheese be hitting.
It does, yeah.
Cheese be hitting.
It is.
Sour cream be hitting.
Sour cream be hitting hard.
Sour cream
bro.
be hitting hard.
Fam, when you throw that shit on some tacos or some motherfucking
Sour cream is unprotected sex. You know you shouldn't, but man,
God,
yeah, you like fuck it. I know what's gonna happen. I don't give a shit.
Dog,
I'll deal with that later.
I had some nachos and I do some sour cream, some hot sauce on them bitches.
Yeah,
I was
you
like,
know it.
oh.
And when you put it out there, the sour cream be looking at you like you know what you're doing, daddy.
Like
You
You know the fucking vibes.
Yeah. I was at a restaurant the other day and fam, the guy next to me got the wild cheeseburger with the big chunk of cheddar on it. I was like, should I do it?
I need that.
But I was like, damn, I'm like 6 miles from home. Like
It's risky.
it's very risky.
Yo,
I don't want to be in Port Authority holding on to the aluminum like
Yo, fam.
my butt sound like a drum and bass record. People in the booth next to me like, is that you, Tricky?
Yo, oh, Tricky, mate. I love you. You said I'm at a devil in Christian sense.
No.
The devil in Helsinki. I don't know. Where did that come from? That shit was in the fucking.
That's drum and bass, real drum and bass.
Yo. Shout out to real drum and bass. Shout out to let's throw some British drum and bass labels out there. Shout out to Good Looking Records. Shout out to DJ Taylor. Shout out to Goldie. Shout out to motherfucking Lemon D.
What about
Groove Rider?
Busy Earning.
Yo. Shout out to them. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to fucking Jungle Sky.
Shout out to what was the name of that?
Ronnie Size.
Ronnie Size, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's what was it? SSX.
Yes.
The fucking snowboarding.
Yeah,
game?
they had
had
drum and bass on that shit.
Why can't we? I don't understand. Yesterday again, somebody on Twitter was like, "When are you guys bringing back NBA Street?" I was like, "That's a no-brainer."
We gotta bring back NBA Street with a drum and bass soundtrack.
Nobody wants that. I'm saying that's problematic. And
Brother, this guy stinks!
It's true. If you play NBA Street, all you hear
if that's the beats, like people have to be running on the actual fence and shit. It's gonna be like there's gonna be no gravity. That's the rules. If there's drum and bass playing, there's no gravity.
no gravity. And bullets are in slow motion.
Like,
Every bullet is in slow motion.
Like the final score is 144 to Z. I'm like, what is this?
Every drum and bass song sounds like a nigga jumping out of a pool with two Uzis and a trench coat.
They spin it around, shooting everyone like. And someone watching it and slowly pulling down their sunglasses like,
Yo. Shut the Ram trilogy.
Other that, or we're in a wild car. We're in a car chase, but we're driving backwards on a narrow street in a PT Cruiser, and we're going down like staircases and shit. I'm just like, fuck who up?
Watch out!
I hit like a mad fruit cart, and it happens in slow motion. Going down the mad steps, like, get down!
Get down! You see the Euro Cup like,
we go underneath the tractor trailer, but it just happens my PT Cruiser can fit underneath. But I have to do like the wild Tokyo drift, so it's like. And the other guys on the other side like, oi! Oi!
You got away, mate!
Oi!
Boy!
Throw down my beret.
Open the bonnet! Open the bonnet! There's a dead nigga in the trunk.
Oh, shit. All this happens underneath the Eiffel Tower.
You should just Twisted Metal, the movie.
That'd be an amazing movie.
So, my friend, it's an ice cream truck. Oh, my Dieu.
Good times, good times. Oh, somebody write that. Write this movie. Me and Mero we want to be in it.
You know what I'm saying? Mass slow motion.
We just got to do the wild movie where they just shut down mass streets in Europe for unnecessary special effects.
Absolutely.
Like,
Absolutely.
I want to shoot a scene where like you're mad stressed and you're at the top of the Eiffel Tower and you're smoking a blunt and you drop it, so you have to rappel down and grab it.
Yes.
But you land on your feet.
Yeah.
And then everyone's like, how is that? First of all, we
like
can't.
cross repelling and shit. Like, yo,
They're like, that's going to cost $250 million. And I was like, wow, I'm hearing stuff I didn't ask.
Oh, yeah.
So
If I asked you,
make it happen.
that would be a dope answer if I asked.
Yeah. So it's just like,
Did you ask?
you know what's wild? Desus wants it. Mero, you want it.
Yeah.
So if Desus and Mero want it,
Why?
and Desus and Mero are the stars of this movie, why are we having this fucking discussion? Huh?
Shut down
Production until we get our
now.
fucking scene.
Shut down the Champs-Élysées. All right? Immediately.
That's just mush Michael Bay. I'll be in my trailer.
Yo, we are running laps around the English Channel. I don't give a fuck.
You heard him.
Make it happen.
We'll be on the trailer. Talk to CB.
Get the Cocker Spaniel.
Okay. They're gonna come back. They're like, yeah, you guys have been replaced by Carlos Mencia and Tyrese. Bye. I'm like, what?
What?
I'm like, no. We changed our mind. We don't need that scene. We don't need that scene. a year later, it's just Tyrese coming down the Eiffel Tower singing "Sweet Lady." Sweet Lady. I'm like, no, that's our shit. He did it anyway.
The fuck? Why you drinking a Coke too? You know you got an extra bag for that.
Arrgh!
Motherfucker.
Arrgh. You know you made it if like your movie, they work into the instructions on a plane. Because that means like they don't give a shit about you living. They're like, hey, look at Spider-Man.
Look, he's doing it. You do it too.
Because
Plane crash and shoot a web. I don't
Yeah.
know. Whatever, nigga. Put this event.
if a plane crash, you're not gonna remember any of that shit anyway. You're gonna be screaming.
You're like, oh, what the fuck? Yo, you know how they say, like, do not grab your overhead baggage? I'm like, no,
I'm getting my bag.
I'm getting my bag. I'm gonna fuck.
Every time they say that, I'm like, oh, I'm supposed to do my MacBook?
Oh,
you thought?
nigga.
Nigga, I'm in the ocean like, ah.
I mean, sure.
Nigga, I'm putting my fucking flotation device underneath my MacBook. We gonna remake the Titanic. Fuck that. Nigga, I have files that have not backed up.
No. You're wildin'.
Because that, you don't think about what you're gonna lose on your computer until something bad happens. Then you're like, damn, I didn't save that. I got baby photos on there. Damn, sure, he sent me the wall pino from fucking 7 years ago. I can't lose that. I can't lose that.
Oh, I need it. It's on a thumb drive somewhere. I don't know where it is, but it's on this laptop.
Oh, I'm gonna save it. Ugh. Yeah, that's problematic. With problematic boys.
Yeah.
Living that problematic life. Wow. Problematic Cats, our new play.
With JC and Derulo.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Like one cat doesn't accept that his cat daughter is dating a dog. Yeah, we don't. We don't do that in this house.
But Mr. I'm a nice dog.
Get the fuck out of here, you mutt.
Wow. Go.
Yeah, a speechless cat. So listen.
Would you keep Mike Miller as the new coach of the Knicks?
Hell yeah.
For the next season? Whole next season?
Hell yeah. He's the most exciting coach in the NBA. The Knicks scored the most points they've scored in 31 years.
Right.
Now, yes, it was against the bum-ass Hawks,
Talk about it. Talk about it.
It was
Vince
one of the
Carter
most
was there, though.
one of the most exciting Knick games you've seen in quite some time.
Right. Shout out to Vince Carter.
The ball
Farewell
movement was
tour.
great. You know, shout out to Vince Carter.
Last time at the Garden.
The ball movement was great. They were running plays. They weren't being selfish. The one defensive lap they had, he called timeout and got in their ass.
Yep.
So, you know, some would say that it's now Mike Miller music time.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's Madison Square Garden now. All right?
You know what I'm saying?
And my Knicks are going to play against the Heat tonight. It's going to be a close game. But you know what? Anything's possible. Because if the Knicks win against the Heat tonight, I say this with my gut, we're going to the playoffs. I'm saying that right now.
What's the spread on the Knicks?
Because listen, I got that. My nose is open with Knicks Coke dreams.
Knicks Coke dreams.
Okay, I can't feel my face. All right, I want a reason to use any of the 30 jerseys I own. Come on, playoffs, baby.
We're gonna do it. It could happen. I believe you. I believe you. I
Listen,
believe this.
It's a new day.
This is
It's a new day.
matchup.
People are feeling positive. People have a good energy. People are proud to be a Knicks fan again, or for one win against the Hawks. So, you know,
That's true.
and Mike Miller is the man. You know, triple M's, baby. Triple M's.
Mike Miller.
It's like Biggie says, pick any, you know, he was like Jordan, Tyson, Jackson,
Anyone.
add Miller.
Ooh.
Any Mike.
Any Mike.
Any Mike.
Mike, dog.
Like the Fuji song, any Mike.
Like them.
You right?
You know what I'm saying? Don't ever get it fucked up.
Okay.
You heard?
You heard? I fucks with Mike.
Yeah.
I'm with Mike. Not Mike Bloomberg though.
No. Fuck him. Get him out of
He
here.
runs ads all the time, and it's just like, what do you average? Like, come on, bro.
He's
Relax.
a bozo, dog. He's a bozo.
What really bothers me is like if he would just take the money instead of buying ads, he just gave us all money. Like everyone would be happy. Then people would vote for him because it's illegal. But who's gonna stop him? Rich people can do whatever they
They
want.
can do whatever they want. Mike Hooks. Bullshit Hooks.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
If Mike Bloomberg went door to door and gave everyone, he was like, "Yo, here's $100. Vote for me." Everyone will vote.
Yo, here's the pre-ballot shit. Y'all just fill the shit out right here in front of me. I got you.
You get 100 now. You get 100 after you vote.
Boom.
Boom.
President tomorrow.
President for life.
I looked for life.
For life.
For life.
President of the world.
You know what I'm saying?
But no, he's like, let me buy ads. No. Be a villain. If you're gonna be a billionaire, you should be a supervillain. Block out the sun.
Do something stupid, but yo, build a fucking laser, dog, that just creates a wild crater in the world that just makes a hole through the entire planet. Knicks will win it, but do you think the Knicks are going to not win, but not lose by more than 10?
Not win, but not lose by more than 10.
So like the Knicks could lose, but as long as they lose by less than 10 points, you're good. You won.
Yeah, I don't desecrate sports like that.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I don't use it for gambling. What's wrong with you?
Think about it.
Look at you.
I'm saying it makes it exciting.
Get out of here, you fucking Guido. Get out of here.
Just think about it.
You piece of Jersey trash with your gambling and your fucking change. Get back on the LIRR. Get out of here.
I go slow down.
Get back on the Sorry, I was on the wrong platform. Get back on New Jersey Transit.
Security, he's drunk. He's wearing
I'm not drunk.
He's wearing a Rangers jersey.
It's Rangers Town.
He's wearing a Rangers jersey.
Officer, he called my mother an Islanders fan. I just smack him.
It's a Mike Richter jersey, so you know he's a cop.
Listen, let's go Rangers. Oh, let's go Rangers. Does it drag me to the drunk tape? Oh.
So with the Mark Messier jersey in there, like, yeah.
I just grab a big prawn. I grab one of the big giant prawns. It's checking me out. I'm eating. I'm like, it's delicious. Come on. Lodquest. Go Lodquest. Go Henrik.
Put Matt Pierogies in your pocket and shit like,
I'm the only person in bookies got mad cocktail sauce. I'm like,
there's just mad shrimp tails all around you and stuff. Like, yo, what's wrong with this smoke?
been here for 3 days. I think I got iodine poisoning. ACO. I'm just here for the CO all night. The CO comes to go CO.
Well, what happened? What's up?
I mean, do you think we should trade the coach? I mean, I'm lapsing on defense, you know, like sometimes on the head to
My
head.
man's 3 a.m.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just talking about Rangers, bro. Do you subscribe to SNY? It's the best place to find out about the Rangers, the Mets, and other teams in the local New York area.
Yo, my man.
I remember a game. It was the Devils versus the Rangers. Shit. I'm white. You can't do this.
Yeah. Well, guess what? I spray painted the camera.
Fuck. Fuck.
Yo, fucking. And I know where Julio's at, and I'm not telling Michael Anthony.
I sober up in the morning. I'm like, holy shit. What am I? Wait a minute.
Hold on.
I'm a fucking cop. Why am I in here? They're like, Ronnie, I knew it was you.
You fucking
Get me
jerk.
out of here.
It's because I fucked Rhonda in the third grade.
Jesus Christ. Oh, you guys had me? The joke's on me. You had me in the skull tank. Yeah, someone give me my badge and my gun.
Fucking jerk.
You jerks.
Give me an ice pack and some coffee.
Jesus. Every time. They're like, I got in the 71 again. You guys.
You got me.
Piece of work. You guys are good cops, though.
Fucking guys. You know what? You got honest guys.
Honest guys.
Other guy would have sold me up the river. You guys.
Jesus. You guys, listen. What they said about what you did at Central Park 5 is bullshit anyway. You know, Oh, Lord. Goddamn. We finishing this year strong.
Ooh, strong.
You
gonna eat that W.
Arr.
You know what I'm saying?
What has he been up to lately?
Mediocrity.
Hate to see it. There's been players that, you were like, yo, they next. And it was like,
they're like,
you thought.
Nigga. Next, like, is in like the MTV show. Like, yo, next. Like,
next.
Fuck out of here.
Thank you. Next.
Yeah, thank you.
Shout out to Brian Cashman of the Yankees, the male, just the genius.
Yeah.
They asked him about how he feels after the Garrett Cole signing. He was like, to quote Ariana Grande, thank you, next. And I mean that, meaning thank you for signing, and we're moving on to. I was like, that's literally the worst use of that quote ever.
Wow.
That was beyond wash.
Wow.
But then he looked at me through the camera. He was like, yeah, what are you going to do about it, brokey?
Yeah.
And I was like, wow.
How about I buy your whole family and make them fucking groundskeepers?
Yeah, I did
How
that.
about that?
You're going to be sick. You sit trying to watch the ticket. It's like, is that my abuela? She's like, why? Faster, TT.
Oh, okay. The rake is heavy.
Yes, my grandma raking the outfield.
By herself.
Every time she goes down the rake, she's like, She's like bending over slowly to pick it up. She's getting booed. You want that?
She had to get Tommy John halfway through the season shit from the rake.
He's like, I'm not done. This is your grandfather. He has on a straw hat. He's like, where did you come from? Where did you go? He's like,
Papi, I don't like this.
He's racist.
No, he's very racist.
Dance.
Oh my God. Where did you go from? Where did you go from?
Dance, abuelo.
Got Wepa. He's mad sad. Start crying and shit. Like,
It just becomes like a depressing song. Wow.
turn the shit to a bachata.
That sounds like a type of gun.
Yeah.
Come through
Yo,
your
put
block
him
with the
on bachata, nigga.
With the bachata.
Yeah, put the bachata, nigga. With the...
Also sounds like a type of, you know when you go to like the Upper East Side and you go and you try to get a bacon, egg, and cheese and you got like breads you never heard of before. Like, you want that on bachata?
You want that? Would you like the bachata bread?
Let me get a bacon, egg, and cheese with bachata, pepperoni, and they start having too many options. You get like, oh, bacon, egg, and cheese. What kind of bacon you want?
Yeah, bachata bacon.
What kind of cheese you want? You want pepper? You want pepperoni? You want provolone? You want pepper jack? You got triple pepper? You want cheddar? You got cheddar mild? You got cheddar sharp? You want a jalapeno? You got Elet? We got what do you want? You want boar's head? You got horse head? You got OnlyFans cheese? What do you want?
You got American?
No.
Shit.
You ever be at a deli and you say American and they look at you like,
Ew.
they're like, we make our own cheese. That would be every time I tried to get a bacon, egg, and cheese in Williamsburg. They were like, I was like, can I get a bacon, egg, and cheese to go? They was like, first of all, bacon, egg, and cheese is an entree. It's going to take 17 minutes to make.
Yo, facts.
We don't make to go.
Facts.
They're like, would you like a deconstructed bacon, egg, and... They're like, he like a queso and embryo to go. And I'm like, what?
Yo, he's just like, yo, my man, make the fucking sandwich, dog.
They're like, he wants a quail egg. I'm like, what is this shit?
Yo, son.
They're like, you want cranberries in that? I was like, why the
Yo, do me solid. Yo, hold that quail egg up. Hold it up.
Hold it up. Ah!
Shoot that shit, nigga. Fuck out of here.
They're like, your bacon, egg, and cheese and hummus is ready. I'm like,
Nah.
Where the hummus come from? Where the hummus come from?
Where?
They're like, they come to 12 chairs. I was like, why does everything have hummus?
Y'all really only got 12 chairs.
They're like, can I get a coffee? Coffee and hummus, pick it up. I'm like, why would you put hummus in my coffee? Yo, let me get a hummus and hummus. He's going in the back. He says, exhibit. Yo, I heard you like hummus, dog.
Yo,
so I put hummus in your hummus.
So you can hummus while you hummus.
He's humming.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shut the hummus. Is it high in protein? I was gonna say it's high in
know.
protein.
It's one of those foods I don't have enough experience with it to have an actual opinion on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just it shows up every.
It'd be a party sometimes.
Yeah, it just
Baby
pops up
carrots.
and you be like, sometimes it's cool. I don't really know enough to co-sign it like that.
Are you the guy that does? Because I'm the guy that does this. That takes. You know how the hummus platter always comes with vegetables. and
Yeah,
shit?
yeah.
Do you take chips and dip it in hummus?
You know, I don't really fuck with hummus, like, because since I buy all myself, like I know exactly what's in my house, so I never can open my fridge and be surprised. Like, oh my god, what is this? Like,
Oh my god! Wow!
that doesn't happen. I know exactly what's in there every time, so I can never be like, oh shit, hummus. So I know there's never hummus in my house. Every now and then I find something, I'm like, oh what? Oh my god. Ramen noodles. Oh my god. Oh no. Wow, you should not. Well, for the most part, I know what's in my house. Also, when you live by yourself, you don't have to like listen to expiration dates. Cause I think I've been using the same stick of butter since February, and you know what? Fuck it.
Fuck it.
It's still good.
Yo,
It's still doing butter stuff.
It's still melting.
Okay, exactly. I've got a lot of requirements for it.
Melt and
Okay.
don't rot. That's it. Boom. Done.
All right. If you gotta put
Check
pressure
two.
on the top of the knife to cut through the crunch of the butter, that's just more flavor, baby. What I can't understand for the life of me, I keep running out of mayonnaise, and I don't want to buy like the big bottle. That's too much.
Yeah.
I ain't making sandwiches all the time,
Yeah.
but I buy the little bottle and I run out because I use a lot of mayonnaise. So they need like they have a middle.
I got the big squeeze joint.
You know what? And this is me being cheap. It's like a $2 difference between the jar and the squeeze.
Oh yeah.
What am I saving $2 for? I don't know. It's the immigrant child of me, but
that's true.
because I'm just like, am I really? I was like, am I paying $2 to keep me from just taking a knife and putting it in there?
Yeah. But then, I mean...
But then it's like,
if you
the
wanna
time you save.
Yo, but advanced immigrant math, like then you break down the price of the water.
Yeah.
And the price of, you know what I'm saying, the soap that you're going to use. And
Labor time. What could you be doing with that?
You feel me? So
Yeah,
you never know.
yeah.
But now them squeeze, the squeeze shit comes through when you smack at 3 a.m.
Yeah.
And you don't got to do all of this.
Nah, listen.
There's too much like hand-eye coordination and shit.
Desus at 3 a.m. You would think I was on the Food Network. I'd be chefing shit. I'd be like, hey, fam, you know what? Me at 3 a.m. It's like, remember you at Coachella, the Coachella house at 3 a.m. where you were just frying bacon and I was just eating it straight off the napkin. The other day I made ramen soup with an egg, tuna, some shredded cheese, some chopped Mexican onions. She was banging. And it was one of those things where you don't even check like the sodium and all that stuff because it's gonna kill you.
Yeah, no,
but you know what? You're here for a good time, not a long time.
Not a long time.
Think about it.
So my sandwich game has improved tremendously, B. Like I'm getting better breads and shit. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Niggas got multiple cheeses on deck. You know what I'm saying? Different spreads.
Listen.
Got the little shaky, like, you know what I'm saying, deli counter.
When your life gets better, your condiment choices get better. Because now you've gone from C-Town, where there was 3 types of cheese, yellow, orange, and white.
Boom.
And now you got a whole cheese aisle.
Yo, you know what? I want that brand of Swiss.
Woo! Multiple brands of Swiss.
Hold that.
You know what I'm saying?
Feel me?
Got so much money, sometimes I get cheese, I got a cow on it laughing. The cow is embarrassed that you eating cheese. He's like, I'm Baby Bell. The cheese is so wasteful, individually wrapped in wax.
That's right.
Who needs that?
Yo.
You're doing too much.
You're doing way too much, dog.
All right.
Is that like a tradition thing? Like they can't stop now? Like they got to keep doing it forever? Like
it works. It's a really soft cheese, so it's like it's easy to eat.
Yeah.
But you know, it's like, and like I've heard rumors people give it to the kids for school and snacks and stuff.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
100%.
I also heard rumors that kids order Seamless in school, so I don't know.
That's wild. If
Yeah.
my kids did that, I'd be like, yo, shout out to you. You finessed me. Like I'll give him props. I'm like, yo, you finessed the shit out of me.
That just seems weird to me. Like, how do you control? Like, if I was a kid and I was able to order Seamless using a phone, I'm not listening to you in the classroom. I'll be mad disrespectful. Like, you be teaching me like math theories and be like, pizza for Desus. I was like,
right. Yo.
Sitting there like Zach Morris with like sunglasses. Like,
Brolic ass phone. Like,
yo,
let me get some of those napkins.
So all the kids are like, he bought za. Whoa. Oh, this is like, are you in school in the 80s or now? Check you later now.
Peace out. Peace in the Middle East.
Yo, me and Mero, we're out.
Yeah, Audi 5000.
We're gonna go hang at FAO Schwartz in downtown, the gritty New York.
Right.
Yeah.
We're gonna dance on the big piano.
Yeah. Hey, taxis! Woo! Stop!
Hey.
It's like we hop in a yellow cab. They're like, yeah, this movie takes place in 1988.
The cab driver smoking crack.
All right, it's a different New York. I was gonna say he's a robot, but okay, apparently we're going uptown. Oh, I am your crackbot.
Yeah, I'm like, fam, you smoking crack and you not going to the Bronx? What's the science?
What happens when a robot smokes crack? It's a picture of the robot from Short Circuit, and we're leaning on him, but he's got the wild Krill's eyes. He's like, yo, Johnny 5 is on crack.
I think I got 2 Huffies. Just running to the block like, yo. You want bike. Output.
Yo, these are made with real cheese. I'll suck your dick.
I'll suck your dick with my input device.
Just put it in my input port.
I have multiple ports.
Oh no, Julio, please, I need to get right. My guts hurt. Oh, we're like Johnny 5. We gotta get you clean.
He's like,
don't gotta get me clean. Gotta get me rocks.
Get me rocks.
Get me rocks.
Yeah.
Need a racks.
I need a USB-C cable right now.
He short circuit. We got to throw water on him.
You gotta chill out, my nigga. He's like, yeah.
We gotta drag him to like Victor's apartment. It's like Victor lives in this huge loft in Manhattan. He's just doing all these experiments and shit.
Like, yo, we here, all here.
Come on, Victor. We gotta. Save them. I guess the government is tracking us, but because it's the 80s, it takes them forever because there's no computers.
Yeah, the computers are all in black and
They're tracking us on a notepad. Like
yeah,
they went this way.
Yeah, I think they went that way.
Okay.
It's a stick figure with an arrow. This way.
Wow.
Yo.
Come on, let's go hire Crazy Eddie's.
Johnny 5 grams. Yo.
Oh.
That's right. You know what I'm saying? Smoking cruises.
Smoking cruises. Smoking cruises. I've been smoking on some krills and I'm appreciating all the villains. I be smoking krills, paying bills, and telling people to chill. That's right. It's the Bodega Boys Christmas album coming to a resort or a short stay motel near you.
That's right.
If the rooms can be bought for 3 hours, you'll be able to hear the Bodega Boys in the lobby singing songs such as girl, please don't show your face when sending me nudes.
Not at all, because I'm about to show everybody in the group chat. Oops. I didn't mean that.
Also, our another song, I'm giving you slow Aesop Rocky strokes. The strokes that will fill your back.
That's right, girl.
Tender strokes. Tender strokes. Tender strokes.
Tender strokes.
I got gout. I'm laying on my side. I had sour cream.
Sorry,
Ma.
I'm
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
You know what they say about senior frogs? Yeah.
You rent it.
Everything's a to-go cup. Sorry.
I should have put a funnel
Sorry.
on my butt.
Sometimes you get that fat food and then you and your girl both got the, you wanted to have the sexy time. And you're like, yo, Ma, well, maybe you hop in the shower. She's like, why don't you hop in the shower? And I'm like, because my face isn't going there.
Hey, let's both hop in the shower.
This is a hot take. There's nothing worse than 2 people in the shower. It's so useless.
Yeah.
It's a waste of both people's time. It's a waste of money. It's a waste of water. It's a waste of soap.
Yeah.
And neither you get clean.
Because it's like, you don't get clean. Unless you're in there first and then the other person comes in. But then it's like only one of you gets clean. But it is a low-key waste of time, except unless you're trying to like get shit accelerated and then be like, yo, we're going straight to Smashville after this.
Yeah, but sometimes it's better to be like,
Yo,
but then it comes off weird because if you're like, yo, I'm gonna shower and then you shower after me and then you're just like waiting in the bed. You're like, are you a germaphobe? What the fuck?
You just like you dig around and shit, trying to get the shit out. Like, yo,
we about to be you're like a cat. You're like,
At Power Peanuts, we have from the University of St. Vincent, Young Teaser Stars.
Yeah.
It's hoodie season.
But then, like, you don't want to, because then you can't really wash yourself the way you're supposed to wash yourself if there's another person in the shower. Like, your girl ain't gonna bend over and, like, really get inside her butt crack while you're standing right there. Because she needs all the hot water. So now you standing in the cold. She's like,
She might look at you funny if you, like, lift your leg up to wash your ass.
Yeah. You get the Captain Morgan going on, like, gotta wash the old grunt. Wash the old taint.
Yeah. You see her pubes sliding off that washcloth and shit. She's like,
You're like, yeah, I'm good. I'm just gonna lay down.
I'm just
lay down and shit.
I'm okay.
You just a wild snot.
Yeah. You pee in the shower and shit. Pee on her legs, you don't even know.
Shit. It's like, what's going on with the water? I think the sump pump is broken.
Yo, it's like the top is cold, but the bottom is hot. Yeah. That's what it is. It's the water. That smell like Cheerios. Yeah, don't fuck in the shower. This shit's mad boring and dangerous.
It's dangerous, it's boring, and it's also like, like if you've been together long enough, it's not fun.
It's not.
Nothing, like, the best thing is like when you hop in the shower with someone and they're like, yo, what are you doing? It's not romantic. Like, yo, what the fuck?
Yo.
Can I help you?
Oh, now you just slammed the door back, man, fast.
You're like, oh, sorry.
You trying to slide the shit, you're like, nah, chill, you wild.
Like, stop.
Nah, you wild.
Yo, you play too much.
Yo, nah, you let her draft it, stupid.
What's wrong with you? Nothing. When you live with someone, sometimes it ain't sexy time. Sometimes it's like, I am another person. I got shit to do. Get the fuck out of here right now, my guy. They're trying to watch you, like, start creeping their head, like, yo, what's up? You Stop. I'm watching Mr. Robot. What the fuck? I gotta concentrate.
Stop.
I think they hacked something.
We do that shit all the time. We be trying to smash in the morning and shit. It's like, Heather's just like, nah, dog. She's like,
chill.
Like, you're wilding. Like, you're wilding. Like, look at me.
You're like, yo,
look at me.
You be getting mad at them. I'm like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with you?
You don't want to fuck?
What you want? No, why you want to have sex, nigga? What's wrong with you? Grow up.
Yeah. Like, y'all don't even
A grow up will hurt your feelings.
Yeah.
You like, it's Tuesday morning. Grow up.
Both our breaths smell bad.
What's wrong with you?
Shit.
You know how old you are? What's wrong with you? You're like, oh, I was just trying to get a little strange. I was just trying to get a little smell on my finger for the day.
That's it.
What's wrong with you?
Yeah. Ain't this funny?
Yeah. But that's when you gotta be like, nah, fuck that. Yeah. Fuck that. I don't need this. I'm taking my MacBook in the bathroom. I'll see you in 4 minutes.
Yeah, this privacy screen is steam proof.
It's like, you're jerking it, but you also gotta wipe the screen off. Like, the condensation. I forgot.
Damn.
You gotta turn on the water on the faucet. Turn the sound down, you know. And now you're fucked because now you're gonna take a shower. You got the MacBook in there. There's mad condensation. Yep. You can't open the door to take the MacBook out because it's like, why was the MacBook in the shower? What were you doing? What were you doing with the MacBook in there? Wait a minute. How come you were using the shower and I just went through the history that says no sites have been visited in the last hour? What kind of browser were you using? Huh? Incognito?
I was just in incognito mode because, yo.
You know what? The Russian government has been hacking our elections.
Yeah, so
that's why we protected.
Protected, well, you know what I'm saying? I was paying Bank of America, you know what I'm saying? So I was just like, you know what I'm saying? You just dive in the shower head first. Like,
They just threw the MacBook in the water. Like, excuse yourself. Like, this is better than living with you.
Oh, shit. Oh, man, I love y'all.
I want to smoke crack with Baby Yoda.
Yeah. Let's smoke crack for episode 200 live on camera.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Fuck it. Why not?
Fuck it. Why not? What we got to lose? The thing with crack is like, they made crack seem very scary when we were kids. Like, you smoke crack, you're going to get addicted immediately.
One hit and you're done.
I think we can do some artisanal crack.
Yeah.
Little crack tasting.
Maybe we make the shit.
Who do we want to smoke crack with? What celebrity should we smoke crack with for episode 200? It shouldn't be someone who's known for smoking crack. It should be someone
like a noob.
Someone new. Should we smoke crack with Megan Thee Stallion?
Yo, that'd be lit.
She's always driving the boat. Let's really fucking drive the boat.
Yeah.
You know how like she be coming up to people like pouring water in their mouth? Just find the club, put the crack pipe.
The glass D, like yo, hold that down.
Smoke that glass glizzy. Megan, come on the show.
Yo, fuck with your boys.
She gonna do some different type of twerking after that. Yo. It's hitting different.
Who else? Who's like a nice random
person
smoke krillsy with?
Oprah.
Oprah? She'll be like, this is one of my favorite things.
So I was in the Bronx and I was smoking krills with the Bodega Boys. Look under your seats. You get a rock. Matter of fact, no, fuck that. Give me the rocks back. Stand and grab the rocks.
Yo, she jumping and crying and shit. like Capone at the tunnel and shit. Start drop kicking niggas and shit.
Oh, shit. What a reference. What a reference.
To this day. That's right. Google Capone at the tunnel.
Smoking them krills. Smoking them krills, baby.
Yeah.
Oh, man. So, yeah.
Episode 200, Smoking Krills.
That's right. But we got a lot of time to go before that because this is episode 184. You know what it is. Coming to you live from the Jamroom Mero Studios. It's been your boy, Young Chipotle. He's nice. AKA Young Chipotle. AKA Pockets Fat Like Cheerio. AKA Pockets Stay Fat Like.
Yeah.
Here we go. That's a clean version. Slow, but I might know you, bitch. Young Day Hot, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando Rondo.
Yeah.
1994, Mikel going off Duvet Boss.
That's right.
MC Luca Gunga P put up for 40. Which is shorty. Hey, you don't talk to me no because I don't know you. The original +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss, son. These are Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost Mufasa, Young Coonery without the coonery. AK Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees, K-Lo-K. Two Phone Jones, these Zick rocking out. Jake Chuck Stanley Cups, Human Dr. Bond is able to dilute. Leonardo Trapio, Mr. 240p, can I get my Pino blurry? DJ Woolite, aka the Washed FM. Today we have the Bodega Hot. Shout out to y'all. Special thank you for listening to the podcast all year more.
Thank y'all.
Also, don't listen to our podcast, other podcasts, that's called Podcast Infidelity.
Yeah.
Okay, only this podcast. We are the ISIS of podcasts.
Podcast monogamy, loyalty.
That's right.
Loyalty and brotherhood.
That's right.
Brotherhood.
That's right. Matter of fact, gang bang anyone you see. If you know someone and listen to Bodega Boys and you see them listen to some other shit, check them. Yeah. Just punch them.
Check them.
Punch them right in the mouth.
Check them. But not like that. Like podcast. I mean, for P, I mean podcast.
Oh, I meant P on them in public.
Ow.
Yo, the Curry Go, D Spicy, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain. Do you remember me? What you? Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, heroin, Buckles, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin, the Human Dr. Bond is label. Oh shit! Wait, yeah. Oh, Mr. Brothers melting in your mouth, Mr. Beckham, Ricky Tiki Scroggy, Greg Powell, more says Mahatma Gandhi, not your Maccabee, but I got that cucumber, the juices of press, but your boy.
God damn.
Never. I am the art, damn it, the Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck on the Fashion Nova, Casanova, William 8 cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. Forget the small change.
What you need?
Big money wine.
That's right.
Big money wine.
Big money team.
That's the name of my new Caribbean nightclub for big girls. Yeah. Big money wine. Yes.
BBW.
That's actually a redundant thing. All West Indian clubs are free.
Oh yeah.
Come on. You already know.
Yeah, you know the vibes.
You be a skinny girl in a West Indian club, a big girl coming, you're like, damn, this bitch take everything.
Fuck.
You know what it is.
Damn.
And you just see me like, so you have low blood pressure, huh?
Type 2 diabetes.
I know your arches hurt.
Only
after I salute Dip 7 sack and catch me a square one top left. Man's morphed.
Yeah, don't cheese me, bro.
Children's do the holy cow. Mr. Soft, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sonny D.
Yeah.
David Yerman. These expensive. These are red bottles. These bloody shoes. Smoke Keem, Noah, Andrew Cool, Nan, aka the Junior Energy God Junior. Come sit down behind me, Charger.
Sit on it.
Corey Petco, because I got your bitch on freeze. Topic gossip is Sayasa. Shout out to the 11791. Yo, you ain't there arrested my brother after the Rangers game, bro.
Bro, it's fucked up, bro. Bro, all he did was have a couple brews, bro.
Couple fucking brews.
Couple tall boys.
He smacked some broad on the butt at Babylon.
Case.
I mean, if you can't slap someone on the butt in Babylon, what the fuck can you do it?
Like, come on, bro.
You know?
Babylon butt cheeks, same thing, then.
I'm so mad I'm about to drop a deuce in the bathroom and not flush it. Fuck that. It's peak time now.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Bro, shit on the fucking seat, bro.
Say less. Okay, Grandpa joke, because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden tick because it'll cut your It's your man, Dead IDs is more than the sheriff. Be a real shame if I stole these Plan B pills. Okay, bye. Shout out to the trees, your bad breeze like I'm easy, please believe me. The black Asiatic will crack your back, little Minecraft Matic, Mr. Mal Marina, Mesh Marina, fresh Mr. Marina, the cold Marina, aka the Chief Mask Killer. The Black Zach Morris, the Cave Morris. Port Morris, not Cave Morris, I don't know who that is. Young KPI, you know what I'm saying? All my marketing people, take second best for you to test things on your chest. You need to confess.
Yeah.
I am a forgiver. Please don't call me you know what? Don't use that word. It's a personal Jesus. AKA Problematic Bay. Listen, it's not a secret, family, if you never mention them and then you only come to them on your deathbed like, hey,
yo, by the way,
I never wanted you anyway.
You were a mistake.
Just leave it on the audio tape to get played at your funeral. Like, it was like, damn, that was unnecessary.
Like, damn, why you do all of that, yo? Ladies and gentlemen, this is episode 184. Happy holidays, you know what I'm saying, to you and yours. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. The human do right flap, you know what I'm saying? AKA Donovan McDab, AKA Curve Gotti, AKA Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? AKA skirt on the top the curb. He your motherfucking best friend Rex and keep it moving. Ask me if I give a fuck. I might in retrospect, you know what I'm saying? Because it makes me like philosophical sometimes that I reflect on the things that I've done.
Just like stop
you know
and think
saying?
about.
Yeah,
you know,
think
like,
about the wrong things.
That might have been like.
You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, that
someone's dog.
Someone's dog. And they were like, yo, they really love that animal, you know what I'm saying? And
the family, they have to explain it to the kids now.
You know what I'm saying? And like you never know the circumstances. You feel me?
You might come back to life as that dog.
You never know. You know what I'm saying? You never know. You know what I'm saying? With faith, you know what I mean? It's all intertwined. It's all destiny. You know what I'm saying?
Preach, brother.
AKA, I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, don't need to check the guest list. I am the guest list, motherfucker. I plan to get a motherfucking glass of champagne that got thrown at a Love and Hip Hop reunion. So don't fucking touch me. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking an A-list celebrity. You know what I'm saying? Yo, Nate, shoot this nigga's fucking kufi off. Yo, get him, yeah. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Dad back here, you know what I'm saying? I'm retired now, so I'm doing 1,000 milligrams of better, you know what I'm saying? AKA Jason Fantic, I'll go so you shorty. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, you know what I'm saying? I smoke a 3 gram backwood, and then I'll hit you with this 9-iron dog if you don't fucking tranquilízate, my friend.
Tranquilízate,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's right.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? AKA get to this money and this smoking, it's your boy Goldman Schmeck. You know what I'm saying? AKA all my kids in the motherfucking Olympics is competing, representing the Dominican Republic and whatever the fuck they want. You know what I'm saying? Curling, you know what I'm saying? Sprinting, nigga, archery, it don't matter. You know what I'm saying? You know why? Because I'm a motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Me Elbow, AKA Tineo Maradona, AKA Dick in your Ben Mutombo. You don't come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Actually, no, that is incorrect. It belongs to her and I respect her agency. Therefore, I request permission to enter. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? AKA the Dominican Donna Dykeman Daddy, you know what I'm saying? AKA bottles and tenor so smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. You know what I'm saying? I crash so many zip cars, niggas fucking ban me. Now I'm only using car to go. So if you see a fucking flipped over smart car on the West Side Highway,
You know the fucking vibes.
you know what I'm saying? AKA, so my car to get, there's definitely money on it, you know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when he come up here and ask me how the kids is doing, you know what I'm saying? You fucking bozo. Edward, you know what I'm saying? You like your little CVS job, Edwin, huh? They put the motherfucking lactate and the rare Snickers flavor combo in the bag and keep it fucking moving, bro. You know what I'm saying? Stop fucking playing with me, dog. AKA Romeo Santos. The favorita, mami. So tanny. Let me black out. AKA Light and El Touchy. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke as in your 5. David, you got 5?
Don't even got
I
5.
got 5, bro. Who invited this guy? God damn, yo, bro, go to the store, B. Go to the store and get me some fucking now with it, B. Get the fuck out.
I don't have cars because I'm a cat. Meow.
Yeah. Oh shit! Oh, all right. So then you belong to Bodega. Go over there. Go. Yeah, go on that run. Yo, Jason Derulo. Jason Derulo, calm down. It's Jason's acting out of character.
Cat. Wow. Jason Derulo.
That's what I like to hear. AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying? More deflated than Bobby Kraft, you know what I'm saying? We the table shower boys, you dig? AKA Field the Ass Tyson, I won't explore your cosmos while, but consensually, of course, you know what I'm saying?
Consensually.
Boys, you know what I'm saying? Gang. AKA Lil Snoozy for the first nigga to tap out on live, you know what I'm saying? I've been doing it for all your favorite SoundCloud rappers, you know what I'm saying? And I don't use PEDs, I just smoke weed, motherfucker. AKA Final Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zeno Bittenfield. I gotta get some sticks so that I can function in society. You know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Who Guy. Yeah, you too smart with me at Mama Sushi. You know what I'm saying? Flagship, you know what I'm saying? I said it last week, you know the vibes, dog. I'm not gonna say it again. But we hold it strong at Mama Sushi, you know what I'm saying? It's Fort Apache, you know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Click.
My hands are gifted. We are not similar at all. You have never in your life reanimated a human using only your wits and a bag of hair. Your favorite surgeon could never. Candy, get the strap and whip them yams. Again, I'll be your motherfucking medicine cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Lupo 2 for 5 niggas who got garbage down the way. You know what I'm saying? I got hundos. They only got the regular shit. You know what I'm saying? AKA Nino Brown, shut the car down. Got your DD bagging up. You know what I'm saying? Faking home kidnapping just so she can bag up my work. You know what I'm saying? AKA live from the Checkers on Fordham Road. It's the East Stream on Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one that we do this again. Entonces, don't let me live. You know what I'm saying? Again, I met my friend sister, dog. I'm never gonna fail, dog.
Never.
It's infallible.
Impossible.
You know what I'm saying? Exactly. You know what I'm saying? AKA, listen, man, every week I tell you this, I come from across the pond in the PJ just to make this one announcement. There's only 2 rock stars left, mate, of which I'm one. The plantain swooping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, calling a Dominican plug for all my yay. You know what I'm saying? AKA balling in Portland, drinking microbrews and wearing flannel. It's Bar Melo's Anthony!
For 3!
Bang!
Melo's back!
That's right, baby! You know what I'm saying? And he's better than ever. You know what I'm saying? FaceTime with his kid. If you see me at Target higher than a motherfucking ceiling fan in Shaq's crib, approach her like an Earthside mammal dog, because I'm fucking up that dollar section, B. And I don't care if you work there, nigga. We can fight in the parking lot, dog. You know what I'm saying?
I just wanted an autograph.
Oh, where? That's it?
That's it.
Oh, my fault. Yeah, no. Let's get this flick, yo. You got like a t-shirt line you want me to promote or some shit for free right now?
No, I just wanted to... Take that, pussy. DJ Academics runs the world.
I knew it was him, bro. I knew it was you as soon as you walked.
You got knocked out on Twitch, bro.
Oh shit! Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You know what it is? Joey the God. Yo, shout out to all 5 of my viewers. Yeah, knocked out Mero.
Wow.
Yo, check me out on Fortnite.
Wow.
Yo, join my clan.
Breaking news: Joey from Passaic has been shot in the neck. Hey.
On Twitch too.
On Twitch live. Drake was there. Hey kids, it's Vent on the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after the party's over, and I may have urinated on my costume, voiding my deposit. So can I have some cash up front, please? In the meantime, while I feel deal with that, just have a friend, my Mr. Fun. Go ahead. Do you think?
Anybody want to see my Disney Plus login? Hey, want to see my non-plus login?
Okay. Hey, let's get back in the car. Hey, let's go. Bye. I saw fake leads your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's out of Windex and a peach Snapple that I found under the car seat of my 2005 cloth interior Honda Accord, nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, papi, ahora se llegó la hora for you to turn on your SAP because we're gonna go in Spanish a little bit, okay? Prende el SAP. ¡Ey! Hasan, tírame la fucking pita, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el FIFA. El cuarto bate, el más duro. Den su lo que era. Y que oye, que tú sabes quién es que está sonando. Yo estoy más pegado, coño, que un chicle en la butaca de un colegio. Que lo que es, guau, para mi patria. Tú sabes que lo que es. Shout out a la Cash Showtime. Shout out a Cash Shop, como siempre. Casheando y apiando. Shout out a Hasan y Zen, el que pone la fucking nota siempre. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la Lady, 24 quilates, magia en esa malena. Y shout out Desus Bueno, el más papi de la Lady. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out las nenas de la bodega. Daiana, la máquina eléctrica, la insuperable. Y Vicky, que está inválida, pero con la nota más alta que a Bianca. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Jubilee, la más dura, call for location de venta ya. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out mi presidente Pío, secretario de defensa de Mero, activo con cañón y 5 tablas. Tú sabes que es lo que es. Cuenta conmigo, mi hermano. Pronta libertad a mi hermano Friki y que descanse para mi hermanito Sexor. Matthew, te quiero y te veo allá. Nos vemos. Me quité. Ya. 184. Hala.
Yeah, you know what it is. 184. Yo, we'll see you next year. More podcasts, more things, more shows. Showtime show coming back February 3rd. You know what it is?
More life.
Book on deck. We got sperm samples coming. If y'all want that, you know what I'm saying? DNA kits. We have ancestry.com. It's not so much to find out about your DNA. It's so we can own your family in the past. I don't know. Victor is working on it.
You know
it's a wild deal.
It's science.
It's science. Don't worry about it, baby.
Bang. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
It's going to hit though. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be fire.
Happy Hanukkah. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Kwanzaa. And happy Festivus to the rest of us.
Yeah.
We out. Holla. Yeah. Yeah, play with it. Yeah.
Here comes Santa Claus. Ah!
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, motherfucker.
It's coming out my chimney.
Oh, shit.
You want some milk and cookies? Yeah.
Grandma got tricked by reindeer.
Why should you come outside? Your grandma's like, help me!
Help! It's Dancer and Prancer and Blitzen and Vixen.
This is black reindeer. Like, get over here, you gilf.
Yeah. Well, reindeer got mad face tats.
What reindeer got Tim's? Help my grandma! I was like, well, who told your grandma to be Sarah Jane? You know what I'm saying? Yo, listen. Imagine your grandma's really Sarah Jane. You're like, yo, come to my birthday party. Shit, my mom's gonna be there, my family and shit. Niggas pull up. Yo, that's Sarah Jane, nigga. Nah, that's my nana. Nah, that's Sarah Jane.
Nah, that's my grandma. Stop.
I'm gonna go say hi to your grandma, nigga. Nigga taking bad pictures of your grandma with their head on her titties and shit.
Like the fucking the convention pictures that'd be mad extra. And the niggas grabbing the titty from that like yo.
Yo, I love Mero's grandma. Oh, Jesus, you can't. Jesus, I just saw you yesterday. Yeah, I was helping her around the house.
Yo, shit. Now I want to like Google like. As soon as she got kids and shit, grandkids.
I don't think they'd have that information out there.
Don't make it idiot.
Whoa.
Shout out to, once again, shout out to ISO Fox, you know what I'm saying? And I think Vanessa Del Rio, whose daughters have gone on to be adult entertainers, you know what I'm saying? Keeping it.
That sounds so classy, adult entertainers.
You know what I'm saying?
When you pass by like a bar, they're like, adult entertainment.
Yeah, like, you're like, oh, entertainment for me. I'm an adult.
Yeah.
Okay. No child's play.
You just go in there and people's like, yo, you want me to help you refinance this mortgage?
Yo, this man boring. Yo, did you never learn how to tie a tie?
Well,
come on, let's go.
We're gonna clean your gutters. You're like, this is adult entertainment for real.
This is dope, yo.
Wow.
Oh, I can change the light switch by myself. I don't gotta call an electrician. Oh,
hey,
it's
they're
lit.
like, hey, you want to take a nap for an hour without your kids bothering you?
Oh,
You're
for
like,
real?
Oh, shit.
Oh my god,
I'm with it.
Damn, I just nutted in my pants.
Bodega Boys.